Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Shell from Female Hustlers Club coming on here to show you guys really quick how you can create your own link tree. Um, as you can see, Linktree is down. Let's see, you go to, let me check it real quick. So, so this is my Linktree link. Sorry about that. You hear my dog in the back. So let's go to the tree link and it is down. Okay, service temporarily unavailable. So I kind of had a feeling something like this would happen in the future. So I created my own link tree. This is my website here that I have on that's hosted with Blogger. So the way I created these buttons is through Canva. Okay. So basically what you could do, go on to Canva, create a button, copy the button image over to your website, and then copy the link over. So I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. So you're going to log on to your Canva account. My buttons are already set up to the dimensions that I want. Okay, so this is the button that I created, how to create your own link tree. Okay, let me show you how to do that. So when you want to create your own buttons, your own dimensions, you can do that by going to the home page on Canva. Click where it says create a design, and then click where it says custom dimensions. And then you put the width and the height. Okay, you can click on this down arrow and you get to inches. Hold on. So you can change it to inches, millimeters, centimeters. All right. So this is the dimensions that I have created for the buttons on my page, and you just go in here and you change the change the wording to whatever you want your button to say. I already did that. Changed it to create your own link tree, and I'm going to go to my website that's hosted by Blogger. Go to the section where you can insert elements. They call it elements on Blogger. Okay, I'm in the layout section and I want to add a gadget. Click on add gadget. Click on image. Choose from file. So I'm going to locate the button. It's a little slow. Here we go. Here's the Linktree button. Open that up. See the images here. And then I'm going to put the link here. So I am going to upload this video to YouTube and then put the YouTube video here. And then once that's done, it will show up on this page here. Okay, we have save here. So it's let me see. I have to show you guys how it looks when I upload it. I'm just gonna put a regular um, website in here because I'm actually filming the video right now, so I can't actually show you what the video looks like or what it looks like when I click on it until I actually upload this video. So hold on. All right, so I just put my Instagram name onto that button. So once I open the website, click on the button, it's going to go to the Instagram page. See, here's the button I created, which is also known as a link tree. And so it'll go to the Instagram, Female Hustlers Club. I spelled it wrong. But anyway, that's how it works. So once you see this video is going to take you through the steps. And when I finish filming this video, of course, you're going to click here and it's going to go to the video. So hopefully this helped you guys out. If you have any questions, let me know.